Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have a parent function plotted. Now find 3 reliable reference points, usually x-intercepts and a peak or another clear y value. Once marked, label their y values precisely so you can multiply without confusion. Multiply each y by the stretch/compression factor A. If it is greater than 1, expect vertical stretch. If between 0 and 1, expect compression. Make sure to keep the x-coordinates unchanged, because vertical changes do not shift x positions. Now compute new y values using y new equals a times each original y. You should perform the multiplication for positive and negative values separately so signs remain correct. Once done, plot each transformed point directly above or below its original x-coordinate. Do not move horizontally. Connect points smoothly following original curvature, preserve concavity and slope direction. If the function is piecewise, transform each segment the same way so the whole graph remains coherent. Finish by drawing a smooth curve through the transformed points, matching the shape and rounded corners of the parent function. Once done, pick one additional x value, compute its expected y new, and confirm the plotted point matches. This validates your work. If the result looks off, make sure you used the correct factor and did not confuse vertical with horizontal transforms, and confirm your grid units are consistent. Incorrect scale is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.